Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to make money online, we invite you to watch our complete video today. We will reveal a fresh selection of websites that pay you $10 for each click. These websites are new, innovative, and guaranteed to amaze you. They are accessible to users worldwide and completely free to join. The first website we'll share with you is surfbucks.com. Here's what their website looks like. Surfbucks.com offers fast payments, detailed statistics, and pays 1 cent for each click and referral click, as shown when you scroll down. Although it may not sound like much initially, keep in mind that it's per click. With the potential for 300,000 clicks a day, and that's just an estimate, you could earn $3,000 in a single day. This website accepts Payeer and Perfect Money as payment methods, but unfortunately doesn't support PayPal. However, the upcoming websites we'll introduce do accept PayPal along with many other payment options. Stay tuned for that. To start earning money with surfbucks.com, simply click the register button in the upper right corner of your screen. You'll be directed to this page. Enter your username, email address, and password, then click register to create an account and start making money immediately. Next, we have Scarlet Clicks. You can visit their website by typing Scarlet Clicks info in your browser. When you land on their site, you'll see the following options: click ads, click on ads, and get paid up to 1 cent each. Earn money by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. Cash out, you can cash out through Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Airdim, and Bitcoin accounts. The minimum payout is just $2, which is incredibly low. As a member, you can earn up to $1 per click. Payments can be sent via Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Airdim, and Bitcoin, and you can earn up to 100% from referral earnings. They provide detailed statistics on your referral clicks and offer professional support. To sign up on Scarlet Clicks, simply click register in the upper right corner of the screen and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll have a user account in no time. Before we proceed, we'll give you a moment to subscribe to our channel. If you've been enjoying the videos so far, please give it a thumbs up. If you found this video interesting and informative, we encourage you to leave a comment below. Moving on to the third website, we have surfclicks.com, which we consider the best option. Their motto is to grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. It offers an affordable and user-friendly DIY option, allowing you to get started in just 60 seconds. They only use real clickers like us, so everyone has an equal chance to succeed. Here's how it works. When a business owner pays SurfClicks, a portion of that payment is distributed to registered clickers like us. The most exciting feature of this site is the opportunity to earn between 5 cents and 10 cents per click. Compared to the previous websites, where you could earn 1 cent per click, this is a significant increase in earnings. Additionally, there is a 10% referral commission and a minimum $5 payout threshold. Although the price is slightly higher than the previous website, it's justified by the higher pay-per-click rate. Another advantage is that all clickers are paid via PayPal, eliminating the need for additional applications. SurfClicks welcomes workers from any country and does not filter or interview candidates, making it a great option for easy money in countries with limited job opportunities. To register, simply click on Product on the home page and select Become a Clicker, which will direct you to the registration page. Clicking the Click Here to Get Started button will allow you to sign up and start earning money right away. Now let's move on to the fourth and final website for today, Ascends.com. This website offers more ways to earn compared to the previous ones we discussed. They claim that you can make money by downloading apps, signing up for websites, and watching videos, and much more. This website offers the most diverse range of money-making opportunities compared to the previous ones we mentioned. It presents another effective method to increase your monthly income and expand your earning potential. Apart from participating in free paid surveys, you also have the chance to influence the development of future products and services. Ascends provides a referral program as well, allowing you to invite your friends and earn up to 30% of their earnings. When it comes to payment options, you have the flexibility to receive your earnings through Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, or Amazon gift cards. There are multiple choices available. Simply click Join Now to sign up, follow their registration instructions, and start earning money. That's it. If possible, try using all the websites simultaneously, and you could potentially make hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars every day. Minimal effort is required on your part. Just a few clicks and sharing a few links will suffice. So give it a try. And that wraps it up. If you enjoy similar content, feel free to explore my other videos and remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.